Let's declutter and organize a garage together with the goal of being able to park a car inside. Hi, I'm Julia. I'm a professional organizer, a college professor, and a mom. I usually make really short videos, like a minute or less, but decided that it was time to tell a longer story today. Recently, Max posted a video where she talked about how overwhelmed she was with moving into her starting over home. Max is a single mom of two and currently going through a complicated and painful divorce. Not too long ago, I was going through what some might call a, quote, midlife crisis, and Max's videos where she shows her strength and vulnerability helped me tremendously. I don't talk much about my personal life on social media, so I'm not going to lie, it's a bit scary for me to admit to you how much I was struggling myself. I had heard about midlife crises before, but didn't think that it would happen to me, that when I turned 40, it would feel like my whole world was turning upside down. I wish I had the bravery to talk about my struggles as publicly as Max does. It's not something that I'm able to do yet, but I'm hoping that someday I'll be more open to share more with you. I've actually been filming a story about this for quite some time, but I don't know when I'll be ready to share it. So back to the story of working with Max. When I saw her video about being overwhelmed by all the boxes that she needed to unpack, I decided to reach out to her on TikTok and offer my services for free. I didn't ask for anything in return. I honestly didn't think that she would respond, that I would be able to film this video, or that she herself would film the whole thing and post about it. But she did. She accepted my help. So over the course of 2 days, we pulled everything out of her garage, sorted it, and made decisions on what to keep, donate, sell, and toss. More than anything, we created a functional space for her and her kids, and we spent $0 on product. If you've been following me, you know how proud I am when we spend $0 on product. We created a space where she can actually park her car, which is so awesome. Decluttering can be a very emotionally charged experience, and I'm glad I could lend a helping hand and ear. Sometimes I think the most important role that I play is simply to listen to my clients. When was the last time you felt like you were truly heard, supported, and understood? That's really at the core of my mission as a professional organizer. I've been told I'm the kind of person that people immediately feel comfortable talking to, and I'm so grateful for Max and how much she shared and entrusted me with her life stories over those 2 days. I feel so honored to get to do the work I do and meet the people that I meet. I reminded her that one wonderful thing about life is that you never know what amazing people are about to come into your life.